Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. If you're using Instagram and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to open your Instagram, you see a message that your feed could not be refreshed. So let's see how can you easily fix that. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back and you have to scroll on your control center and you have to make sure that you have a strongest and stable network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable the disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your settings app, go for general, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. So if you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. Then go back from here and you have to go for this software update and try to make a software update. Again, go back, open your App Store or Play Store, simply search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app, then again go back and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open Settings app, go for General, go for iPhone Storage, look for Instagram here and try to offload your app. After offloading, you have to reinstall app, and after reinstallation your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware, enter your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this tab without deleting your app data. And after that, if you're still facing the same issue, tap on transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and here select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings, so if there will be any network issue, it will be fixed in this tab. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issues, you have to simply open your Instagram app, tap on the profile option in the bottom right corner, tap on three dots in the top right corner, and here you have to simply send a report to Instagram support. So go for help, here the help option, tap on that, and here select report a problem, then select report problem without shaking. And here select include, but I'm going to select don't include and continue from here. And then you have to briefly explain your issue which are happening. And here you have to simply describe that your Instagram feed could not be refreshed. So help me about that. So something like that. You can also include a screenshot or you can upload any screenshot from your gallery. And once you have uploaded, you just have to tap on the send option after writing your message here, and then your report will be submitted to Instagram support. And after that, you will get the response or your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.